Shoes on, got a bitch sucking on my dong like my name's LeBron. My dick is hot and heavy and my balls are sweaty. If you're gonna suck it, make sure you're ready and keep your throat steady. Every night I fuck a dyke, 'cause I like hoes that look like Miley Cyrus. My dick digs deep, your guts I'm gonna reap. Let me sniff your crack while I'm fucking from the back. Then let me fuck it from the front while I'm smoking a blunt. Because I'm in the stars tonight and my favorite thing is fucking it right. Every hoe that I know likes to suck what I have below. I'm like Frozen, let it go, shoot inloads in your hole. Sometimes I fuck so hard I leave your pussy scarred. Queef on my dick while I lube you with spit. Eat my seed because if it goes in your vag we might accidentally breed. On your period, so it's okay if you bleed. I fuck whores while eating their shit like s'mores. My dick kind of small, so it's okay if you snore. Penis pump make me upgrade to full bore. Size increase, so now my dick is obese. If I fuck your snatch, I expect you to eat my batch.